banish doubts, worry and fear, to love, laugh and give. Time to say goodbye, time to say hello, evoking new thoughts and let the magic grow. This bright new year has given us to live each day with zest, to daily grow and try to be our highest and our best. We have the opportunity to once more right some wrongs, to pray for peace, plant a tree and sing more joyful song. A warm welcome to all of you in our very first assembly of 2021. When you start to feel like things should have been better in the year, remember the mountains and valleys that got you here. They were not accidents, and those moments were not in vain. You are not the same. You have grown and you are growing. You are breathing. You are living. You are wrapped in endless, boundless grace. And things will get better. There is more of you than yesterday. However uncertain the world may feel at a given moment, the reassuring reality were the many good things that happened in 2020. But do you know a most amazing fact about it? 2020 was like 1616, 1717, 1818 and 1919 because first two digits match the second two digits. This happens only once in a century, which is 100 years. Nature regained some of its lost glory in 2020 due to lockdown. The air quality is improved. River had more and clean water. Plants become greener and animals grow in number. There are so many things about 2020 that were memorable, and we will treasure these memories forever. On the other hand, there are so many things which we are really hoping would change in 2021. For what is life but a journey? Each thing we wish for is a milestone that gives us hope and motivation to move on. So let us see what all we want to leave behind and what is it that we are looking forward to and wishing for in 2021. I'm getting bored. I want to ride my bicycle outside.
Okay, Kyra, let's go.
Okay, Mama.
Wait, where are you going without mask? First wear your mask.
No, Mama.
No, if you want to stay healthy and safe, you have to wear your mask. Come, wear it.
Okay, Mama.
And use sanitizer too.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
So then wear mask and use sanitizer. Bye. We can't play outdoors because there is coronavirus. So we'll play indoors. We will play snakes and ladders. Let's play this interesting game. Mama, how I will go to school in coronavirus? Yes. Onion finished. Now I can continue my studies with online classes. Yippee! Ritu, where are you going without mask? No mask today, Riya. Today is 2021. In 2020, I could not play football in the park with my friends. And in 2021, I will play football in the park with my friends. So I have to play football. Mama, finally I'm going to school after whole difficult year. Now I will meet my friends and teachers. Bye bye, Mama. Happy New Year! Good health for everyone. We eat home cooked food and it's the healthy food like apples, oranges and bananas. We had in 2020. I wish for 2021. Happy New Year! Woo! My wish for 2021 is that I get to spend more time with my mom, like I did during in the lockdown, hugging, playing, and doing activities together. I wish to go to the Disneyland and meet all the characters like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, and my favorite doll, Elsa doll. I keep her with me. I play with the doll. I play with Elsa doll. And when I go to the bed, I take her with me. And when I do my class, I keep it aside. Thank you. Welcome to 2021. My wish is free to go anywhere. Go to mall, trampoline park, go to picnic, go to family trip, anywhere in the world. Happy New Year! I have a toy robot. I love to play with it. I wish in 2021 I get a real robot which can do things with me like playing football, cricket, and helping me cleaning my cupboard and my study desk and help my mother too in the household chores. Thank you. New Year brings with its new resolutions. We have seen one full year go by. 365 days. Oh my! Let's welcome New Year with an open eye, but make the new resolutions to which we stand by. But why do we need resolutions? To keep the promise and live to a life, to be honest. So my dear friends, let's get ready for the new sunshine and make our beautiful life more divine. What is it you aspire to do in this year? How do you wish to grow and learn more? Thank you. I will play my favorite sport, badminton, every day so that I can bring lots of laurels for my country like Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. My New Year's resolution is I will read more books to learn, explore, and grow, I will read more books. Once upon a time, there lived an old lady and an old man. They both lived in a small hut. I will be helping hand to my parents as I have realized over the past how much efforts my parents put in everything. I will help Mama in her daily chores. I will clean and keep my things myself. My New Year resolution is that I will use all my creativity to make new and interesting things, like this acrobatic puppet toy. This acrobatic puppet toy, I have made it from all the waste material in my house, and it can also move. See? Thank you. I will follow the concept of 4 R's. Reuse, reduce, recycle and recreate to save resources and create beautiful and useful things in process, like a pot with a waste lid and decorating a Christmas tree with an ice cream stick. I will not waste food and tell the same to everyone. I will share the extra food with someone who needs it, so that I can contribute my bit in making an NO hunger zone. 2021, I am taking resolution that I will learn and practice yoga every day, so that I can keep myself physically and mentally fit. In 2021, I have taken a resolution that I will practice football every day as I aspire to become a great footballer like my saint. My new resolution is spending more time with my grandparents and learning music from my dadu. I will conserve all the resources as we have been learning in the school, like paper, electricity, and water. Look, friends, I am using wastewater from RO to water the plants. So, my dear friends, we will open the book. Its pages are blank. We are going to put words on these ourselves. The book is called Opportunity, and its first chapter is New Year's Day. So here is wishing all of you a very happy New Year. Wishing for a year filled with good health, joy, and lots of fun. Wishing for a year filled with beautiful rainbow and a bright sun. Wishing for a year filled with laughter, success, and peace. Wishing for a year filled with learning and growing for each. We also have with us Shashti ma'am to greet you all on this new year.
Albert Einstein once said, "Learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow." Yes, the year 2020 has been an unpredictable ride through the pandemic and many more difficulties that made life hard for all of us across the globe. But as the year has already ended, we all should accept the fact that with every passing year, one should leave behind the not so pleasant memories. And now, as we embrace 2021, let us all be positive and cheerful with bright spirits and shining aspirations for the year ahead, and embrace this new year with a lot of hope and happiness. So here's to another year full of joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories with our friends, teachers, and loved ones at school. Thank you for all the fun and lovely memories that we have created together. And may we have many more in the glorious new year. So let us fill our new year with new adventures, accomplishments, and learning. So the New Year's first month, that is January, is like the first page in a blank book. Let us together write our phenomenal stories on this first page, that is the month of January. So a new year has begun. January is month number 1. It is the start of a whole new year, and there is nothing to fear. A new year for trying, not for sighing. What goals can you make for your own sake? For a better you, for a year that is all new. So with this message, cheers to health, happiness, and prosperity in 2021. And now, yes, we need to make a New Year resolution too. So let's make our New Year resolution to be there for each other and help our fellow human beings in need, even if we don't know them personally. So come, let's spread some kindness, happiness, and good cheer. So wishing you and your family a safe, healthy, and prosperous New Year. Happy New Year! Welcome back. Take care.
Clap your hands with New Year's cheer, New Year's cheer, New Year's cheer. Clap your hands with New Year's cheer. It comes around just once a year.
Wave your arms with New Year's cheer, New Year's cheer, New Year's cheer. Wave your arms with New Year's cheer. It comes around just once a year.
Hey! Hey! Here's to the girls singing, na 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 na. Here's to the boys singing, na 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 na. Everyone around is singing, na 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 na. Jump, scream, and shout singing, na 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 na. The old year's out, let the new year in. Everyone around the world's jumping up and down, singing Happy New Year. Na 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 na. Happy New Year. Na 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 na. Happy New Year. Na 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 na. Happy New Year. Na 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 na.
Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, cheers to everyone. Happy New Year!
Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous New Year 2021. May all of you have a blessed, joyful and a healthy New Year. From all of us, we wish you
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! A very happy New Year to all of you from all of us.
सबको न्यू ईयर की शुभकामनाएं.
Everyone, we wish you and your families a healthy, prosperous, joyful and happiest new year ahead. May the faith of God be with you each year. May the peace of God surrounds you and may you be blessed each day.
Happy
New Year,
To all of
guys.
you.
GD Goenka family.
Wishing you all luck, joy, happiness, and prosperity.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Radha ma'am, Srishti ma'am, teachers, parents and all the lovely children. Wishing you all the very best of health, success and happiness in 2021. And we hope that this year is full of love and optimism and brings back all the joy and happiness to everyone. Happy New Year.
So wishing all the friends and teachers Happy New Year.
Cheers to everyone.